Ay, siya na wala ako.
Not all smiles mean happiness. Some smiles hide pain, unseen struggles. Silent battles, internal struggles we fight within ourselves, emotions, pain, and hardship hidden behind smiles, challenges and problems we choose not to share.
Ikaw, bagi pulos na si bata. Pabigat ka lang.
Ikaw, tapit ko sa may na-achieve. Hindi man sila kay Cindy, basi mabud na yan sila.
Nakita niyo si Nicole, wala siya sa mood.
Wala ka siya gagawin, subok.
Hindi na usual na Nicole.
Nicole, okay ka lang.
Cool. It's okay not to be okay.
If you have problems, hindi na kailangan katabanin. Ari lang kami din, you're not alone.
Kapoy, nagdibula ako kabalong kung paano niya tumangon.
Sometimes, all someone needs is to be heard. Speak to help those in silence. Support without condition. Promote understanding and empathy.
Kaya mo na.
Encourage open conversation. Ask and listen without judgment.
Kamusta?
Know where to seek help.
Together, we can break the